Hello my dear students, so welcome to our new lecture. Now in this particular lecture we are going to solve some of the questions by considering the properties of a triangle. Okay, so let us start with the very first question of the day. So question is, the measures of angles of a triangle are in the ratio 5:6:7. Find the measures. Okay, so the ratio is given for the angles of a triangle. Okay, and what is the ratio? 5:6:7. So I will consider as the constant of proportionality. So I will get, let 5x, 6x and 7x be the measures of angles in a triangle. Okay, I have taken 5x, 6x and 7x as the measures of angles for my triangle. Okay, in that case I can write 5x plus 6x plus 7x equal to 180 degrees. Okay, now we know that sum of measures of all angles in a triangle is 180 degree. Okay, this is the property of a triangle that we all know, that sum of measures of all angles in a triangle is 180 degree. Okay, so measurement of all the angles in a triangle, there are three angles, so sum of all the three angles is going to be give us 180 degrees. Okay, it is going to give 180 degree. So we have taken the sum of 5x plus 6x plus 7x. Okay, so 5x plus 6x, it is 11x, and 11x plus 7x, it is 18x equal to 180 degrees. Okay, so therefore x equal to 180 upon 18. So 18 ones are 18 and 18 ones are 18 and 0. So we get x equal to 10. Now we have got the value of x. If we substitute the value of x for 5x, 6x and 7x, we will get, therefore 5x equal to 5 into 10, that is 50 degree. 6x equal to 6 into 10, that is 60 degree. 7x equal to 7 into 10, that is 70 degree. So measures of all the angles are, therefore measures of angles are 50 degrees, 60 degrees and 70 degrees. Okay, this is the required answer. We have to keep in mind that for any triangle, the sum of the angles, the measure of all the angles is going to be 180 degree. Okay, now let us see the another question. Now the second question is, find angle BAC if angle ACD is 110 degrees and angle ABC is 60 degree. Okay, angle ACD is an exterior angle, it is also given to us. Okay, now here we will use remote interior angles theorem to find the required answer. Okay, so what is given to us, that angle ACD is an exterior angle. So as we have an exterior angle, we have two remote interior angles, okay, for this exterior angle. So which are the remote interior angles in this particular question? BAC and ABC, both are the remote interior angles. Okay, so we can use by remote interior angles theorem. By remote interior angles theorem, angle ACD, okay, this exterior angle, it is the sum of remote interior angle. So angle ACD is equal to angle BAC plus angle ABC. Okay, now the value of ACD is given, that is 110 degrees, equal to, we have to find the value of A, angle BAC, okay, and we have the value of angle ABC that is given to us, it is 60 degrees. Okay, so we can take angle BAC is equal to, now 60 degree will be shifted to the LHS and we will get 110 degrees minus 60 degrees. So 110 minus 60 is nothing but 50 degrees. So we get angle BAC equal to 50 degree. Okay, and in this way we have found the required answer. So let us see some more questions. Third question is, prove that the sum of exterior angles of a triangle obtained by extending its sides in the same direction is 360 degree. So in this question, what we have to prove, that if I extend all the sides in a triangle, we will get three exterior angles, and sum of all these three exterior angle is 360 degree, that we have to prove. So first I will draw a triangle. I am drawing triangle ABC. Okay, now I will extend this side. I have got one exterior angle. Okay, then I will extend the another side and I will get the another exterior angle, and then I have extended this side, I have got third exterior angle. Okay, now I will name it. So now I have three exterior angle, angle DAB, angle EBC and angle ACF. And what I have to prove? I have to prove that sum of all these three exterior angle is 360 degree. So what we will do? We will take one by one each and every exterior angle. First I will take angle DAB is equal to, now angle DAB is my exterior angle. So the remote interior angle for this angle DAB is angle BCA and angle ABC. These are the remote interior angles for the exterior angle DAB. Okay, so I have taken angle DAB is equals to angle ACB plus angle ABC. Okay, and I will write down the reason. This will be my equation 1 and the reason will be remote interior angle theorem. Okay, remote interior angle theorem. Now I will take angle EBC. Angle EBC is equal to, now for this exterior angle, my remote interior angles are angle BAC and angle ACB. Okay, so I will write angle ACB plus angle BAC. Okay, this will be my equation number 2 and the reason is going to be same, remote interior angles theorem. Okay, then I will take third exterior angle, that is angle ACF. So angle ACF is equal to, now for this exterior angle, my remote interior angles are angle BAC and angle ABC. Okay, so angle BAC plus angle ABC. Okay, this is my equation number 3 and reason is going to be same, remote interior angles theorem. Okay, in the examination or in your book you have to write down it, the complete form of this. Okay, remote interior angles theorem, don't use the short form. So I have got three equations, equation 1, equation 2 and equation 3. So what I will do, I will add all the three equations. So adding 1, 2 and 3. Okay, so I will get angle DAB plus angle EBC plus angle ACF equal to angle ACB plus angle ABC plus angle ACB plus angle BAC plus angle BAC plus angle ABC. Okay, now angle ACB plus angle ACB, that is 2 angle ACB, angle ABC plus angle ABC, that is angle 2 angle ABC, and angle BAC plus angle BAC is 2 angle BAC. So I am getting here 2 in bracket, I will take 2 common, I will get angle ACB plus angle BAC plus angle ABC. Okay, now angle ACB, that is this angle. Okay, then angle BAC, that is this angle, and angle ABC, that means this angle. The sum of all these 3 angles, this and this, what will be the sum? The sum is going to be 180 degree. As we know that sum of measures of all angles in a triangle is 180 degrees, so we can write 2 into 180 degrees. And what is 2 into 180? It is 360. So we get the sum of all the exterior angles by extending the sides in the same direction. We will get the sum as 360 degrees. So therefore we can write angle DAB plus angle EBC plus angle ACF is equals to 360 degree. So this is the required solution for question number 3. Okay, now we have solved 3 questions in this lecture. You have to solve question number 1, question number 2 and question number 3 of practice set 3.1. That is going to be your homework. From the next lecture we will solve question 4, 5 and 6 and so on. Okay, so until then, goodbye.